It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Let your anxiety drive your.
Are you ready? Hold on. I need to.
This really has a. Like you can see the whole damn thing.
This is the whole experience.
This is the whole damn.
Okay. Okay. Are you ready?
I am ready. Can I cut one? Wait. Let me see.
Like this. Well, I'm gonna cut it more most likely after we cut these because we're cutting these kind of long. Hold on. So okay, is it even?
Yes.
You're just gonna cut it.
Yeah.
Just do it. Just do it. Just do it.
It's okay. It's hair.
Ah! Okay.
Wait, no, don't throw it away. We
We'll
can,
leave it there.
we can glue it onto me.
Do the other one.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I want a little shorter.
Okay then.
Okay.
Get
Okay.
serious.
Okay, should we like?
Wait. Put your head turn around so then the hair falls here.
Should we like tie it again? No,
No.
this is a good length. Right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna like fix
Fix
the
the-
tips so it's
Okay.
even.
I think it's kind of.
Actually, I know what I'm doing. Turn around.
Oh shit! I forgot you hang out with Rosa. Rosa's mom.
No.
I was actually gonna tell you to tell Rosa so her mom could cut my hair, but then I was like,
We
you know,
could tell
it's
her.
fine. Like,
If
I
it's
can do it
fucked
for
up,
free. I can do it for free.
I mean, she probably hook it up.
I
like
trust
it?
you.
It looks
yeah,
fine.
Yeah. This is great. Let's see, like, do I look like a lesbian now?
No, you need shorter to look like a lesbian.
That was the goal, to look like a lesbian.
Alright, then let's go shorter. Hold up.
I was gonna do the, like, Ramona
Under.
Flowers, like, when she has, like, short and then she has, like, some long hair in the front, but I forgot to do it. 'Cause
Now we
I
get.
this.
Now we could donate this piece of trash.
I think you cut one side of my head, shorter, because, like, they're not even. This one's longer.
I mean, did you party cut? It?
It's fine though, right? I mean, just yeah. It's fine.
It is fine.
We're just not going back. It's gone.
Yeah.
God bless.
God bless America.
Okay, so thanks for coming to my vlog. This is the end.
Alright, that's enough.
I like this.
Fuck.
Hi guys, welcome. It's so hard being a content producer. Let's go. Okay, so first you have to cut my hair like even.
Okay.
Make it a little shorter too in general.
Put it in the bag. I don't know what the fuck you. No, leave it like that. I'm gonna just cut the tips.
We'll like also make it. Well, first even it out, and then we'll see how short we make it. Should I? You sound like a professional too. That gave me anxiety.
I'm dropping hair to the ground.
This fire was like this.
Yeah, to the
Or
same.
should we just step in the bathroom?
Or if not,
Yeah.
I mean,
It's the same shade. Alright. We'll
We're
be
getting in
back.
the bath. Angles.
We're back in the tub. Back better than ever.
Okay.
You don't get to see me this week. Okay, so not turn around.
dude, even if Gio fucks it up, it's gonna look beautiful.
Because it's you. Oh, isn't that sweet?
Shut up. Are you cutting too much?
No, I'm just cutting the fronts.
Your concentrated face is everything.
I think I'm gonna poke you with the scissors. This is horrible.
Oh my god. Let me see.
It looks like you're in middle school. That was the haircut you had in middle
Let
school.
me see. Turn around.
You got ugly, bro.
Okay, then leave it. It's fine.
I know I'm fixing it.
I did not place
He's pushing it down, bro.
No. Turn around. No one can see me. Anything.
Then this one.
No one can see anything from this angle.
Except my fat ass.
No, maybe I went out.
Don't fucking stab me, you bitch.
I'm sorry, that hurt.
Yes.
Stab me, bro.
Literally kill me.
No, I don't want
Hi. Can you like stop?
Like,
You've been doing that for too long.
Turn around. We have a wild Ashley and a wild Gio cutting hair in the tub. Like fully turn around, bitch. Look yourself in.
How bad is it gonna get next
This
time?
looks like a music video.
Breakdown.
Stop. Okay. Just,
I'll be 18.
please
Start
stop.
piercings and tattoos.
Please stop. I need to see.
You need to hurry up. That's what you need to do.
No, because you keep moving, so I need to make sure the hair actually. There we go. Hold on.
Yeah, dude, it's perfect.
Okay, dude. It's fine.
Alright, that's fine. And make sure to
Bye-bye.
say it's not over. Like you thought this was 3-minute video.
So
Basically got more. So we back after the haircut. Look at her. Sister looking thicker than a snicker. And then we got Jimena and my dad in the back, but he drove us because he refused to let me borrow the car, so that's on him. That's on him.
unfortunate.
So hashtag not sponsored, but like if you want to give me free noodles, like I'm more than welcome to take free noodles. But yeah.
Can I hear you?
She's married to the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man?